Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy that you're joining us for Mindful Monday. This is your time to reset, realign, and step into your most confident and radiant self. Today, let's reset and get grounded with a quick and easy 1-minute walking meditation that you can do anywhere. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. With every step, feel your feet connecting with the earth. Notice the rhythm of your breath. Be aware of the air touching your skin, the sounds around you, and the gentle movement of your body. Let go of any thoughts pulling you away from this moment. Simply walk, feel, and be present. As you continue, repeat silently, I am here. I am grounded. I am at peace. Take another deep breath and exhale any tension. Wherever you are exactly where you need to be. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mindful Monday videos. Wishing you a week filled with joy, peace, and beautiful moments.